Okay, so I got my Gator grip all assembled with a couple of extensions put together to make it long enough. I had to go purchase the extra extension. So I have my other Allen bolt socket ready. Make sure I've got it going in the right direction here. Alright. There it is. Now just go ahead and get that all ready. And here we go. Let me just get this all squared away here. And get my Gator grip in there. Okay. That's all squared away. And I just use pressure like that. Against the vice grip here. Normally I would just have it up-down fashion, but with me holding the camera on my own, I have to try it this way. So here we go. Keep in mind, I've tried all sorts of things on this one already, and on its companion tube, which I already showed you was disassembled. But I worked on the companion tube, the other part of the set, and hopefully it'll work just as well on this one. So here we go. Working. There it is. This is a head easy. I have no idea what a hassle this has been. Trying different ways. Getting away from it for a little bit. Get rid of this here. To think about what to do next. Gotta love the internet. You've got to be persistent and find the right information out there. And, just to let you know that the broom handle trick worked on my original set that was installed on the bike. I took one apart just for practice. There we go. There you go. That's done. And I'll just show you what comes out, how everything comes out of here. Which, in case you're curious, I already showed you from the parts I already took out what to expect to see. Let me get the Gator grip out. Ooh, it's stuck in there. Alright, well that's fine. It'll just slide right out. Actually, just pull the whole tube out. That's right. Pull the whole tube out. There you go. And the bottom fork will be empty, nothing there. Leftover oil, maybe. There we go. Now, to get that stuff out. Here we go. Here comes the Gator tool. That's out. And now for everything else left in there. Yep, here comes the dampener. It's a boy. Something like that. There you go. There you have it. So that part is out. So you've got the spring on there. Now, not everything is out of this cartridge yet. Out of this tube, there's still a cartridge in there. And on the other end, there's another part. This came out from the other end. And as you can see, and I showed you this before, this is part that goes on the bottom here, where the Allen bolt would have gone in. And we're not done. I just want to show you this. You see the retention clip there? Probably can't see that. Got a retention clip in there that has to be taken out. I don't know if you can see that. And they'll find some more parts once you do. And you know, it's the weekend. I came to find out that I didn't have an internal retention clip remover, only an external. Didn't realize it before, so went to Walmart, bought a $1.88 long nose plier, and just took the grinder to them to make my own internal circlip remover. $1.88. It works. So I'm just gonna try to show you here. Not easy working with one hand. Let's see here. There's 2 holes on the bottom. Okay, I'm just gonna try to there's the circlip. There we go. So I got that. Good idea to have something to hold all the parts. Now I'll show you what else will come out. There's a couple of little parts left in there. Oh man, there we go. There should be a little spring inside there, but we'll get it. There's another part of the cylinder. Guess this is a spring holder. Don't quote me on the name of the parts. There's a little spring, the light spring there. And last but not least, last little part's having a little trouble coming out. There it is. And that's all of it. And you can check out their parts list on how these go together. Let's see. That goes basically just to show you this. Right here it would go in there, the spring would go in there. And you got your spring retention. Anyway, too hard to do with one hand. Just show you the finished product of how it would look inside. Here, see, that's where the Gator grip went. This is the bottom of the. This is the bottom of the dampener with the spring and everything in there. And my lovely wife came to help me out. Anyway, hope it helps you out, and any way I can help anybody have less trouble than I had, well, that's a plus. Thank you for watching.